How to mass unfollow on Twitter. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Look at the top right corner of your browser and you'll see 3 dots or lines. Click on those dots, a menu will drop down. In the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over extensions. Another menu will pop up. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, find the search bar at the top right corner. Type Twitter mass unfollow into the search bar and press enter. Look through the search results and find the one named Twitter mass unfollow. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to it. A pop-up will ask for confirmation. Click Add Extension. With the extension added, go to Twitter's website. On the left side of your Twitter homepage, click on your profile to go to your profile page. Once on your profile, look for and click on the following tab. This will show you all the accounts you're currently following. Now, look back to the top right of your browser. You'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece or a small square. Click on that icon. This shows all your installed extensions. From the list, find and click on Twitter Mass Unfollow. A new window will pop up with some options. Click on the All button to select all the accounts you follow. The extension will start to unfollow the selected accounts automatically. And that's how you can easily mass unfollow on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.